Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knitting, Crochet and Stitching. Today we will be making this beautiful pattern. I have casted multiples of 2 stitches plus 2 stitches extra. I have made 3 rows of knitting. Now this pattern will start from the wrong side. Let's start. It is wrong side. Edge stitch, knit second stitch first, yarn over, knit first stitch, now again knit second stitch first, yarn over, purl first stitch, purl second stitch first, yarn over, purl first stitch, drop both stitches. Now again purl second stitch first, yarn over, now purl first stitch, drop both stitches, repeat this stitch whole row. Purl second stitch first, yarn over, purl the first stitch, drop both stitches together, last purl one stitch, yarn over, last edge stitch. Now we have completed first row. Now let us start second row. Edge stitch, purl one and 2 stitches from the back loop, knit 2 stitches from the back loop, purl one, yarn back, knit these 2 stitches from the back loop, purl one, Knit these 2 stitches from the back loop. Purl 1, knit these 2 stitches from the back loop. Purl 1, knit these 2 stitches from the back loop. Purl 1 and repeat this. Purl 1, knit 2 together from the back. It is edge stitch. Now repeat the pattern from row first. Edge stitch, purl second stitch first, yarn over and purl the first stitch, drop both, again purl the second stitch first, yarn over, purl second stitch and drop both. Now again purl, loosen the stitches, purl second stitch first, yarn over, purl the first stitch and drop both. Now again purl second stitch first, yarn over, purl first stitch and drop the both. Now again purl second stitch first, yarn over, purl second stitch and drop both the stitches. Now again purl second stitch first, yarn over, purl second and drop both. Now repeat the pattern across the row and I will come again completing this. Now I have completed wrong side. Edge stitch, purl 1, knit 2 together from back loops and drop, knit 1, knit 2 together from back loop and drop both, purl 1, knit 2 together from back loop and drop both the stitches, purl 1, yarn back, knit both stitches together and drop, purl 1, knit 2 stitches together and drop and complete the, yes, I have completed this pattern. So guys, if you like my video, please like and share my video. Thank you for watching.